Have you ever upgraded a tool you rely on, only to find that it suddenly stops working? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Jest after upgrading from version 19 to 20. I completely understand how annoying it is when your testing setup breaks after an upgrade. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when transitioning between major versions. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting 0 matches with my Jest configuration after upgrading to version 20? They provided a detailed configuration file and mentioned that it worked perfectly in version 19. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? Upgrading Jest can sometimes introduce breaking changes or require adjustments in your configuration. We'll break it down step by step so you can identify the problem. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue with Jest after upgrading to version 20, the user should first check the test regex pattern in the configuration file. This pattern is crucial for Jest to locate the test files correctly. Next, the user should verify the root's configuration. The root's array defines where Jest looks for test files. It's important that these paths are accurate and point to the correct directories. Additionally, the user should review the transform configuration. The transform option specifies how files should be processed before testing. It's essential that the specified transformer is installed and compatible with Jest version 20. Finally, the user can run Jest with the verbose flag to get more detailed output. This can help identify any additional issues that may not be immediately apparent. Did you know? Jest was originally created by Facebook for testing React applications, but it has grown to support a wide range of JavaScript projects. It's a powerful tool, but upgrades can sometimes be tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying the test regex in your Jest configuration. The user recommends changing it to a new pattern that captures both the file path and the file extensions for test files. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user points out an interesting aspect of your configuration. They note that you have 2 roots defined, but are only using one path in your test regex. They suggest modifying your test regex to capture both the path and the file name with parentheses, as indicated in the documentation. Additionally, they recommend omitting root dir to ensure both roots are utilized effectively. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always read the release notes when upgrading any library. They often contain important information about breaking changes and new features that can save you time and headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the 0 matches issue in Jest after upgrading. Remember, keeping your configuration up to date is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Jest features.